Hi viewers, welcome to Elama Solution. Today we are going to see about how to use the ChatGPT for generating genetic algorithm code, MATLAB code, and also particle sum optimization code by using ChatGPT. First, you have to go to openai.com and then you can open that uh, chat.openai.com. Then here you can see that you will see that chat window. In this chat window, just you have to type write MATLAB code for genetic algorithm to solve. Otherwise, you can write the genetic algorithm for minimization problem with the example. Like that, you can type. Then ChatGPT will be understand the question and it will write some code about that genetic algorithm with some example. Here you can see that here we have that genetic algorithm code, and I'm going to copy this. Here you can see they mentioned f of x equal to x square. For this problem, they written the genetic algorithm code. I'm going to copy this code and I'm going to change that way. I'm going to paste in that. Here I'm going to open new script and I'm going to paste the detail here. That code generated from the ChatGPT, and here I'm going to simulate. Once you simulate, it will be ask for save the file. Just you go to save GIFX square. Here you will see that it will be have some error. Next you go to ChatGPT. Just you go to type this code having error. Please provide error free code. Like that you go to type. Then it will be create another code. You have to wait for completion of that code generation. Here I'm going to copy the code again and go to MATLAB and paste the code, and again I'm going to simulate this one. Now you can see that the best value found is around x equal to 0.009239. The minimum value which is equal to 8.5 into 10 power minus 1. Now this code is working. First you ask the code, it will be generate some code, but when tested it have some error. You can ask the question again to the ChatGPT, then it will be generated another report. Now I'm going to ask ChatGPT for writing the particle sum optimization code. Write MATLAB code or particle sum optimization with the same example. Like that, I'm typing the question and in it, we analyze the question and provide the code for a particle sum optimization. We'll wait for the code. After come generating code, we have to copy the code and we need to test the code in the MATLAB. Now I'm going to copy this code. Next I'm going to MATLAB. I'm going to click another script and then paste here. But now I'm going to it will be copy all the things. So better I'm going to copy this one along this one. Control A, Control V, and save this code. Run the code. Here I'm going to save fx square. And this code directly is running without any error. Now you can see that the value of x will be 1.0 into 10 power minus 9, and f of x will be 1.2 into 10 power minus 8. This is a result for a PSO and this is a result for GA. Here you can see that the code for GA. It is initializing the population size, maximum number of mutation rate, and then random population. And then here you can see that for random population we are calculating parent. That means they are calculating the term short, and that means fitness functions. Here they calculate fitness function, and then they are calculating the parent. And then here you can see that here they are working for a new generation. That means here they are applying crossover, and then here they are applying mutation, and then here we are having the new population. This will be keep on executed for number of generation. And comes to PSO. So PSO also here they mention about that number of particle, natural number of iteration, initial weight, personal weight, and the social weight. And then here particle position, random particle position, particle velocity, best position, best values. And then here global best index, global best position for initial population or initial particle. Next, if here you can see that they are applying the PSO operator for updating the velocity. Here updating the new particles and checking the best value, and then based upon that it will be keep on executing and the PSO code. You can use ChatGPT for generating the MATLAB code for any optimization method. Try that prompt, proper prompt, and get the proper code from the ChatGPT. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also hit bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.